Hi friends, now let me tell you about the last system of our body, and that is our musculoskeletal system and its functions. Also the damage, prevention and treatment to the muscles and the bones of our body. It includes the bones, cartilage, ligaments, tendon, muscles, joints, and connective tissues. The skeleton provides a framework for our muscles and other soft tissues. Together, they support our body's weight, maintain the body posture, a good posture, and help us to move. The muscular system is composed of specialized cells called muscle fibers. They are prominent and their function is contractibility, which allows movement of the body. Muscles attached to the bones or internal organs and blood vessels are responsible for movement of the body. Nearly all movement in the body is the result of muscle contraction. The function of the musculoskeletal system precisely is to provide form, support, stability, and movement to the body. If we adopt a bad posture, we can damage our bones, especially the spinal cord. And if we continue to bend for a long period or for many hours together, flesh forms in between the spines which can't be removed later on, because an attempt to remove this flesh in between the spines can damage the spinal cord, and as a result, the person can get paralyzed from that part of the body downwards. To prevent the musculoskeletal system from any damage, we must not overuse any muscle even when exercising. Don't lift too heavy weights suddenly. Your body have to be made tough for that first before lifting that heavy weight. Also, your diet to lift a heavy weight or do heavy work should be different, and it should be rich in carbohydrates, proteins like rice, meat, dals, etc. So, when we do any exercise and a body part starts to pain, means it is starting to get injured. So, we must stop the exercise. Don't overdo anything. A pain is a sign of injury. So, pain starts means you have to stop the exercise. Don't do it too much. We must stop the exercise, as I said before. Then we must maintain a correct posture, means we must keep our neck and back straight always. Sit straight and stand straight. Walk also without a hunch, but in a straight manner, because putting a hunch will again create some gap in between the spines, and again flesh can develop there, and again the same problem can happen. If you try to remove that flesh, the spinal cord from that part, at that part can get injured, and from that part till down below your body can get paralyzed. So it is better to prevent than to cure the problem. And as I said before, we must use a helmet to protect the bones of the skull or the head if there is a possible injury. By wearing a helmet whilst riding, for example, don't wear very high heels which bends your feet too much. Platform heels are healthy as they don't bend the feet too much. The bend is slight, and the feet also will not pain if the shoes are platform shoes are worn for a longer time also. Friends, this was a brief explanation about our musculoskeletal system. I didn't have to divide it into part 1 and part 2 because it was very easy to tell about it, and we all know about our bones and muscles. We It's very easy to understand it. That is why I've made it very short, and um, with this I have ended all the systems of our body. If you ever have time, or if you are really interested in knowing our body and how it works, like how doctors study when they learn MBBS and all, even the other doctors, Ayurvedic doctors, homeopathic doctors, all other doctors, they first study our body and accordingly they are able to treat the body. So please make it a point to just go through these 17, I think 17 videos of mine, which tell about the different systems of our body and their functions. And then the following system, after one system I have just the next system is how to prevent the diseases for that system, and what are the different ways, all that. So if these 17 videos, if you go through, listen properly what I say, and you look at the picture which I have put in front, at the end it will be like a mini MBBS course, like in excluding surgery. All doctors are not surgeons. I don't tell you all to become surgeons and all. It is just to help you to become your own doctor. So just listen with attention to these 17 videos and look at the picture I put in on front of it on top, and you will be able to understand the functions of our whole body, what are the parts, which are the different organs of our body, how they function and how they can be damaged, how you can prevent it. If you know all this, you will not be able to fall sick unknowingly, because you will be aware of everything of our body, all the parts. So please go through these videos, don't neglect them, because after these videos I will start with allopathic treatments only, because it is very risky and still people try to take the risk and take their own medicines. They just ask at the pharmacy, and some pharmacists without a prescription they just give any medicine, and if it doesn't work for the person it can create reactions. As I told in the first video, yeah, there are 18 videos, because on the first video I told the risks about how to be very cautious while taking allopathic medicines, because allopathic medicines are very strong. They can have very bad side effects if they are used in the wrong way. Even a person can die. So these videos will tell you how, what is our body system, our body made up of exactly. And then after this, when I start telling about allopathic treatments, you will be able to understand them better, and according to your body problems, if you know all these things first, you will be able to make changes in the medicines, as I tell. For the treatments, certain treatments I will tell, so that you are able to treat yourself at home, because some people know they don't take sicknesses seriously. When a sickness starts, no, it is very easy to cure it, and if you know the causes of the sickness, you will be able to prevent it. That is why I told you to go through these videos. So friends, now with this I end the different systems of our body, and after this I will put up videos showing how to give treatments for small diseases, small videos on different diseases, like using allopathy. But there are many precautions I will tell, and I'm telling you for sure, all this I am not telling on my own. I have referred to other allopathic doctors before even I could make down these notes or write down these notes. I have not said anything by heart or on my own. Even though I knew it, I myself confirmed what I said was correct, and then I put it in front of you all, so that I don't make any mistakes. And even in the future, whatever treatments I'm going to put up, like, they also I will confirm by consulting other senior allopathic doctors, so that nothing is wrong in what I'm telling you. I hope, friends, with this, I was able to satisfy your curiosity about our body, its parts, its functioning, how it can get damaged, how we can prevent it, and how we can repair the damage. Take care and lots of love to you all.